we'll guide you through how to create a Figma design for beginners. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your browser and go to figma.com, log into your account, or sign up if you haven't already. Once you're in, click on the Create button at the top right to start a new project. You'll see a blank canvas appear in front of you. On the left side, you have the Layers panel, which shows all the elements in your design. On the right side, there's the Properties panel, where you can adjust settings like color and size. To begin designing, select the Frame tool from the toolbar at the bottom. It's useful for creating sections like mobile screens or web pages. Click and drag on the canvas to make your first frame. Now, select the Rectangle tool to add shapes within your frame. You can adjust the size and position of these shapes by dragging their corners. You can add text by selecting the Text tool and clicking anywhere inside your frame. Type whatever you want and use the Properties panel to change fonts, sizes, and colors. To add images, just drag and drop them directly from your computer onto the canvas. You can resize and position them as needed. Figma automatically saves your work, but you can also manually save by clicking on the Figma logo and selecting Save to Version History. To share your design with others, click on the Share button at the top right and enter their email addresses or generate a link. This way, others can view or even edit your design if you grant them access. Don't forget to explore the Community tab for templates and plugins to enhance your design process. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.